Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Stalker 2 game sound by audio is not working or any kind of sound problem. Guys, first solution is simply restart PC. Sometimes simple restart fix the problem. So just try this, restart PC, then launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. If not, then go to the Windows set, type here the troubleshoot setting and open it. Guys, simply click on the additional troubleshooters. Now here you will see the playing audio. Just click on that, then click on that on the troubleshooter. It will start detecting the issues in your sound, and if there is any kind of problem with your sound, it will give you the option to fix or solve the problem. So just click on the fix. Sometimes this fix the problem, so just try this. If your problem is not fixed, then go to the Windows search again, type in the sound setting, open it. Now here simply select your speaker's high definition audio device. Make sure high definition audio device is selected, and also make sure your master volume is about the 100%, and also make sure that your correct input device is selected. If this is now the problem, then go to the Windows search again, type here the control panel and open it. Then click on the hardware and sound, then just click on the option of sound, and here you will see your sound properties. Now here you will see your speakers, so just highlight this, then just go to its properties. Now here you will see the option of enable it. Now make sure it is enabled, then just go to the levels option, and here just make sure it is the 100%. After that, just go to the enhancement, and here just uncheck the box of disable enhancements. Then if your problem is still not fixed, launch again, then check. Still not working, then just go to the advanced. Here just select the 16-bit DVD quality. You can see this quality, just try this, then launch the game, then check. Guys, after all of this solution, just try launch your game and see problem is fixed or not. And if your problem is still not fixed, then go to the Windows search again and type here the device manager and open it. Guys, once you open up the device manager, just look for the audio, open it, you will see your speakers. So make a right click on it, click on the updates and click on the search. Now if there is any kind of available update for your drivers of sound, then update it, then simply restart your PC, then launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. Guys, try all of the solution and see which work for you, and I hope one of the solution fixes your problem. And if yes, please like this video, and bye bye and take care.